Not ready to open the box?
I'm not ready to be on camera. Let's go. You knew it.
I knew it.
Wow.
How do you feel?
Excited.
I don't see you. What is that?
It's our baby. This is what we've been working on for, I would say like 2 years, but for real, it's like, I guess,
It's
11,
a whole life.
maybe more.
Handle with care!
We didn't plan to write a book. We planned to go outside, wait for the sun to set, and paint with light. But over many years of practice sessions in deserts, on beaches, under the Milky Way, and knee-deep in the snow, people kept asking us the same questions. What are the settings? How do you stay invisible in the shot? How do you light the subject? What tube color should I use? We've been answering those questions, one video and one blog post at a time since 2015. But this book goes further than we ever have, bringing everything we know into one place to make the learning process simpler for you. We built a field guide. Wahoo! Our intention is for you to be able to take it with you in the field as if we were there guiding you. We cover a lot, from technique to creative aspect. We share a few stories. We poured our hearts and souls. It's a labor of love, that's for sure. Labor of love. From camera settings and gear, to location scouting, blue hour timing, star trails, auroras, and even a glimpse at post-processing. It's all in there. Over a decade of learning, trial and error, and creative experimentation. There's a lot of technique in these pages, but technique was never the point. It gives you tools, and what you make from there is yours. We hope this book shifts the way you see the night, that it sparks your curiosity or your sense of play, that shaping light by hand becomes your way of making magic. Whether you've never picked up a camera before or you've been shooting for years, we believe there's something in these pages for you. Paint with love, paint with light. If you needed another excuse to go outside and play, to go outside and create, to spend a lot of evenings and nights looking at the stars,
I don't want to reveal too much.
No. No. But, okay, so I'm not going to say anything. But I can go rapidly here.